Melva Mitchell Fort Worth, Chiropractic Adjustment. Dr. Melva Mitchell, chiropractic correction is a procedure in which trained specialists, chiropractors, use their hands or a small instrument to apply rapid, controlled force to a joint in the spine. The goal of this procedure, also known as spinal manipulation, is to improve spinal movement and improve physical function of the body. Melva Mitchell Fort Worth explains, why is it done? Low back, neck and head pain are the three most common problems for which people request a chiropractic adjustment. Chiropractic correction is safe when performed by a person trained and licensed to provide chiropractic care. Serious complications related to chiropractic correction are generally rare, but may include the following: a herniated disc or a worsening of an existing herniated disc, compression of the nerves of the lower spine, cauda equina syndrome, a certain type of stroke, vertebral artery dissection, after neck manipulation. Do not try to undergo chiropractic correction if you have the following: severe osteoporosis, numbness, tingling, or loss of strength in an arm or leg, cancer in the spine, an increase